Jefferson City is taking steps to better support the homeless and address mental health challenges. Thanks for joining us. I'm Lucas Geisler.
And I'm Megan Drakis. During today's Public Safety Committee meeting, Jefferson City Police said the department is adding a second community resource officer, which focuses on mental health and getting help for those without shelter. Our ABC 17's Mitchell Kaminsky joins us live in studio after sitting in on that meeting and speaking with officials this afternoon.
And Mitchell, they say this will help those in need while also relieving pressure on police.
Yeah, Megan, Lucas, Officer Marquita Hitt was named Jefferson City's first community resource officer just over a year ago. Now, last June, she reported nearly 500 cases of homeless people receiving mental health support between October 2023 and October of 2024. Now, the city is adding a second officer to expand these efforts and better serve the homeless community.
I did decide to assign a second community resource officer, so this last week, Officer Getz.
It's been just over a year since Jefferson City introduced its first community resource officer, a position created in response to the growing number of mental health-related calls.
We noticed over time that this increased calls for people with mental health issues had been increasing for years. So we had a unique opportunity to appoint someone as a community resource officer who's tasked with going out, interacting with those individuals and getting them directed to resources before they have the opportunity to commit a crime or become the victim of a crime.
But the demand is growing. Jefferson City Police Chief Eric Wildey says mental health-related calls rival traffic accidents in volume.
We were getting a lot of positive results in the first year. Our community resource officer serviced over 480 people in our community, and we were finding that about 70% of those that we lined up resources for, we weren't seeing them again.
Ward 2 Councilman Mike Lester says the position has been especially effective downtown, where most mental health-related calls originate.
The homeless population that we have is concentrated in downtown, which is Ward 2. And that's just because I think that's where most of the resources are. Officer Hitt has been a great resource for them and for the city to help the individuals hook up with resources that might help them.
Brian Vogler, who directs the Center of Hope Shelter, says he's already seen progress thanks to the program.
I'm seeing individuals who have been unhoused and dealing with issues since I started are now housed and now doing good. And, and maintaining and things like that. So I think it's really good for Jeff City.
Chief Wildey says that second community resource officer already has a decade of experience in the department and currently serves on the city's community action team.
Mitchell, thank you. This is part of Jefferson City's broader effort to tackle homelessness. Last June, the City Council created a task force that includes representatives from law enforcement, social services, legal professionals, and community organizations. Officer Hitt serves on that task force.